She loose, she voluptuous, she flowing, she going, she bouncing. You know what I'm saying?
You gotta rate my hair 1 through 10. What do you give it?
I give your hair a 10.
Period. Period. Y'all, no products on the hair. Like, look how flowy. Oh, okay, but can we talk about it though? Can we talk about it? Can we talk about it? Cause stiff wear. I've been really into these bobs. Like, these Amazon sellers are really stepping their game up when it comes to these wigs, and especially these bobs. I'm loving them. Like, I'm loving them. I just been really into the bobs. Like, make sure you go check out some more of my bob videos. Also with affordable Amazon companies. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing a wig that was sent to me by Ali Grace over on Amazon, and there is the sticker with all information on it. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal unit. It is 12 inches and it is a color 99J, which is a beautiful burgundy reddish wine if you will type of color. So it did come with a net and then some plastic on the inside. Y'all, they give you a lot of lace to work with, and I did not even mind it because this lace was really nice. I really enjoyed working with this unit, and the wig was soft straight out of the package, which is good. We don't want no stiff, crunchy feeling wig. So yeah, she was soft. And I'm just showing y'all what the inside of the wig looked like, how the hairline looked. It did come pre-plucked, however I always go in with some extra plucking just to be extra. But y'all know I love going in with my contour palette by Black Radiance, the dark to deep one. Clearly y'all know I love this palette, especially if you've watched other videos. But I went ahead and plucked it off camera, and I also put that makeup on the inside of my cap. Since this is a color wig, I didn't have to bleach any knots, which I've been appreciating. Make sure y'all go check out my last two bob videos. But yeah, I'm just going in and cutting the ear tabs off of this wig because they did give you a nice amount of frontal to work with, which I appreciate, because it's better it be too much than too small. So I'm just cutting the ear tabs off, and then I'm going to cut the hair down the middle, which you guys will see me do in a second, just to split the hair up and I can work on each side. I'm cleaning my hair with some alcohol, and by the way, I did the ball cap method off camera. Y'all can kind of see it. But yeah, I didn't have my blow dryer with me. I'm at my dad's house. That's the reason why the setup is different. I'm in Chicago currently. But yeah, I'm just going in and fanning that. I did about 2 layers, I believe. And as you guys can see, that's slit down the middle, just so I can easily, it just helps when it comes down to laying the wig down. And I also cut more slits when I'm ready to cut, but I'm just gonna put that lace down and do that back home motion as you guys see me doing. Nothing really to it, y'all. This is a really simple install. It didn't really take me like much time to do this at all. But yeah, I'm just combing and like pressing, like applying pressure to melt that lace into my skin. I will be sectioning off my baby hairs and then putting it on an elastic band just to further melt. I cannot talk, y'all. Just to further melt that lace into my skin. I know I'm talking a lot, y'all, but I just want to make sure y'all know what I'm doing. Along with that, I did want to give a disclaimer. Listen, anything I promote on this channel, I'm gonna be truthful about, period. I was getting some comments on my last hair video, or the one that's currently doing really well right now. It was another Amazon bob, and it was a lady coming at me calling me a liar. And y'all, that's one thing Keandra doesn't do, okay? I just want to put that out there. If I promote something, I'm gonna tell y'all what's real about it and what's up with it. Just simply because if I was spending my own money, I would want to know the truth, period. It doesn't benefit me to lie to you guys about anything that I receive or promote. It just doesn't, period. But these companies do not tell me what to say or tell me to say anything. They just want me to give my review and my opinion, and that's exactly what I do. I'm very aware that everybody is not truthful when it comes to promoting things on YouTube, but I just want y'all to know that I'm not everybody on YouTube, period, and I'm going to be truthful. Just because like I said, it doesn't benefit me to, lie to you guys about some hair. And you have to keep in mind, I'm not forcing you to buy any wigs or anything like that when I promote my videos. I tell it how it is in a video, and you have to look at the price and understand that you get what you pay for. But anyways, back to the video. I just wanted to give a disclaimer. Keandra is truthful. Keandra is gonna give the people the truth, and Keandra is gonna put people on and let them know what's really up with these companies with this hair, period. So with that being said, I'm going to continue to make honest, truthful reviews. If you're a hair company watching this video, know that I'm going to keep it real. But you can definitely look in my description box and contact me through my email or my Instagram. And yes, I am willing to promote any products.
Wow, I just cut myself on that freaking, dang. I straight slit my finger open. I think my hot comb did that. It's kind of sharp, and I was digging in my bag. Cut my finger open. We left that.
Alright, so now I'm going in with those extra slits I was telling you guys about with my scissors, just to help me when it comes to cutting the lace off. It makes it easier when you go in sections. If y'all been watching my installs, y'all know. But for those who don't know, this is what your girl be usually doing. So yeah, I'm just clipping that hair back, doing the same thing on the opposite side. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start doing these baby hairs that I set apart, which you guys saw earlier. And I'm just going in, bless you Keandra, I'm just going in with that black gel because I didn't bring none of my styling products when it came to slicking and stuff. The only thing I made sure to bring was my wax stick. So
ooh, this video is gonna do good. I'm so excited about the feedback that I've already got on it. Y'all be manifesting, and it works. I'm living proof, as well as so many other people, that manifestations work. If you believe and you receive, it's already yours. It's already yours. It's already yours, okay? You gotta feel that. You gotta know that. You gotta live that. Check out my manifestation video if you have not already.
That looks so realistic.
Thanks. That's the reaction you want to get.
They can see me, Keandra.
No.
Oh, they can see my arm.
Girl, they ain't looking at you, girl.
So now I'm just spraying Got to Be Glued across my hairline, and I'm getting ready to tie my hair up with the scarf.
But so far, this hair is thebomb.com. It's super soft.
Like it?
Yeah, it's super soft.
You should wear it. You should just wear it.
I am. Y'all, this hair, I don't like this hair. And I ain't even put anything in it.
And it's so soft.
It's soft. About to flat iron it. The part was on point. I didn't even have to do nothing to the part at all.
So I'm currently just combing everything out just so anything doesn't look harsh from that Got to Be Glued. So at this point, y'all, I'm gonna just let y'all watch what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory. Taking that hot comb to get the top of this wig laid, honey. And then I'm gonna be going in with my my flat iron that y'all always hear me freaking raving about because I love my flat iron. But yeah, we about to just go in and press this hair out. And y'all, this was so freaking satisfying. I don't know about y'all, but when it comes to the heating products, styling the hair, that's my favorite part. I have a lot of favorite parts, let me not. But yeah, This hair honestly straightens so freaking beautifully. And y'all, I didn't use not one product in this hair, believe it or not. It just has a natural luster to it, which I really liked. And the flat iron process was just great. Like, there's nothing else to say about it.
Yeah, this wig the bomb. This wig is the bomb. This wig is the bomb. Drop to comb. So soft. No products on the hair. No products. Y'all, no products on the hair. Like, look how flowy. Look at this. I didn't put any products. No products. I usually put this in my hair. Not doing it. It doesn't need it. Like, wow. Love this flat iron. It was so cheap at Ross, y'all. If y'all know, y'all know. If y'all been watching me, y'all know this flat iron. It's the bomb, and it just like heats up in seconds. I freaking love it. Like, I don't need no expensive flat iron, or you guys, you don't need an expensive flat iron at all to get the job done. Just know that. This is so cute. This color is everything. I like that natural bump look. You feel me? I don't like too much of a bump, but a slight bump is cute to me. Yeah, this hair is so freaking soft. I can't get over it. Literally, like. Y'all know what I'm talking about? That look right there. That one. I'm just hot combing that. This hot comb is hot now. Like, she's good. She's hot.
I think one of my main reasons for leaving in so much of me hot combing the hair out is just so y'all can kind of see realistically how long it takes for me to actually get the hair how I like it at the top. So yeah, make sure, by the way, that you subscribe to this video, not to the video, but subscribe to my channel in general and like this video if you're enjoying it so far. But now I'm just gonna go in my Care wax stick. Y'all have seen this on my channel as well if you are not new. But like I said, if you are new, sis, hit that subscribe button because we lit over here, period.
All right, y'all, this is the finishing look. This is so freaking cute, like them fireworks. So those are definitely fireworks. But all right, we about to just take our Black Radiance dark to deep contour palette. Y'all know clearly I love this palette, but yeah, I'm taking that middle shade just to conceal. Like I said, sometimes the got to be glue can leave a cast if you use too much. Like me, I'm pretty heavy-handed with it. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. So yeah, we just about to take this. Also taking this to define our part. This hair is totally worth it, you guys. And I'm not even just saying that because they sent this to me, but I'm happy I finally got to freaking do my hair with this wig. It's so freaking soft, you guys. The lace was bomb. I don't know what it is about that long piece of lace, but I kind of liked it. I don't know, like the quality of it was really good.
Hey, YouTube.
Period. That's my brother. Whatever. He said, "Hey, YouTube." Hey, grandma.
Hey, grandma.
I'm dead. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, y'all, this wig is the bomb. I'm really impressed. Like, look at this. It's speaking for itself. And this is for this to be a colored wig. Like, they colored this. It is still in super great quality. It's not crunchy. It's super duper soft, y'all. Look at this. Look at the movement. Like, y'all can see for yourself the quality of the hair. And I'm messing with it. Like, I'm really messing with it. This color, the lane, the look. Now, imagine if I had a freaking beat on my face right now. But I ain't bring all my makeup. I really didn't plan on doing no crazy faces. And I almost forgot I had to do this video. So, yeah, y'all. I just like hot combing. I don't know. Especially because it takes so long for my hot comb to heat up. So, like, I be appreciating when it finally heat up. That's all I'm going to say. If you into this type of maroon, red color, definitely check out the description box to get a direct link to where you can get this hair. Thank you so much to the company that sent me this wig. I believe it's Ali Grace on Amazon. I done put the bag back in the room, so yeah. But yeah, I'm so happy that I collaborated with them because this wig is speaking for itself, y'all. No products, just a flat iron, and of course this to lay the top of my head. The part and everything was just on point. I didn't touch, when I tell y'all I did not touch this part, I did not at all pluck, touch, do anything to this part. So yeah, this is the finished look. Also to hold the top, I'm gonna just do a little spray, just a little bit. Yes. Did I not go crazy?
It smells like beauty supply store in here.
Did I not go crazy? Look at that. Look on the phone. Look on the phone.
You can swoop the edges a little bit more. I mean,
okay, there's something good about it for the video.
Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, it's beautiful. I like how it lays. You laid it, you slayed it, slick.
And guess what?
That chick, period. She loose, she voluptuous, she flowing, she going, she bouncing. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Period.
He said what he said. I think I should go get the family's reaction. No, not reaction. Rate on my hair. Okay, Dre, rate 1 through 10.
I'm gonna give it a 8.5.
8.5? All right, I can't zoom in on here. What you give it, Keith?
I give it a 9.5.
Hey.
Wait, I changed my mind. I'm gonna give it a 9, and I'm gonna leave my whole answer behind. Bars.
Don't say bars drop mic, I'm done.
Oh, that is cute.
What you give it?
I give it a 10.
Hey, what you give it at?
It's a 10 for me.
Hey, it's a 10 for him.
Yeah.
It's kind of dark in here. I like this color.
Cute. I like the swoops, and then it looks good.
You gotta rate my hair 1 through 10. What do you give it?
I give your hair a 10.
Hey.
Period.
What do you give my hair 1 through 10?
I give it like a 10. A 10 and a half.
A 10 and a half.
Hey, 2 10s and 1, a 10 and a half.
If y'all like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, like I said. Follow my socials. Check out the description box for exact link if you want to purchase this wig. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.
Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever ask was you show me some love.